Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a quick New Year's Eve tutorial and challenge for my sister. We're doing a New Year's Eve look, last minute look, and she's gonna do the other side of her face and attempt to do exactly what I did. So she's gonna do the full face and I'm gonna do the full face, and we'll see how it looks at the end of the video. So yeah, let's just get started. We're gonna start with our eyes. Gonna do something really super complicated, and I know she's gonna mess up. I don't want her to mess up her foundation. So we're gonna get right into it, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna start off by priming my sister's lid with the Urban Decay Eden primer, and of course she's gonna use on her side as well. She did pretty good on this part. Just right now I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow, and I'm filling in my sister's brows. Eyebrows end up looking totally different, so yeah, take that as you will. Alright, now I'm using the Saint Center palette from Kat Von D, and I'm using the shade Martyr all over her lid and crease to set the primer and to, even everything out. And that's a transition shade and all that. And now I took the shade Crucifix and I put it on the crease and blend that out as well. And now I'm taking the shade Sabbath, and on the outer third of her eye, and I blend that out. But it was a little patchy, so I ended up fixing it later on in the video, but you can still see it now. So alright, now I'm using the primer as a way to cut her crease, and I just smeared it all around her lid. And I'm taking Rapture glitter on the same center palette, and I'm just packing it on the crease. My sister tried to do the same, but it didn't have the same effect. And here I'm packing on Cathedral, on the primer part. I'm just make sure to stay in the lines or the base, whatever the outline I made, and just really packing on that color. See, my sister today was just a challenge, and we were just having fun anyway for New Year's. Now I'm taking Lancome's Grandiose liner, doing a ring. It's easier for me to do wing, and I'm using Estee Lauder's Scrumptious Knockout mascara. My sister has really long lashes, so. And that's the eyes. The difference between the eyes so far, you can totally see the difference. Now it's on to face. I'm just priming face with Estee Lauder primer, and now I'm using her Makeup Forever foundation. That's a fave. So I'm just using a stippling brush, but I prefer beauty blenders. But my sister's skin is pretty nice, so she doesn't really need that much coverage. She has no blemishes, so just freckles, which is fine. Now I'm using Too Faced concealer and highlighting. And I'm just contouring with the Black Radiance contour palette. Cream contour first, just using a little bit. In the Fenty Beauty Match Stick and the shade Blondie, and I did the less is more approach, and I just did like a sheer friendly look, highlighting look. She packed on a little bit more, but she wanted it to show more on her side. Alright, now I'm using the powder contour. I'm using on her forehead and her cheeks. I'm really making sure I blend it out and not use too much. I used the Anastasia lip palette, the nude shade, because her eyes was already boom boom boom. So yeah, hopefully this helps someone who has some last minute party to go to and need a bomb look to do. If not, then this could be a very fun challenge to do with people. If get someone who doesn't know how to do makeup or doesn't wear makeup, and have them do one side of their face. Anyway, comment down below. Let us know how we did. If you liked it, the video, share and likes and subscribe. And yeah, happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Alright. Now wait, watch this.
Oh, wrong hand.
Alright.